Howdy and welcome to Peter's online tutor. Today we shall be looking at mathematics. We have a question on the board. It reads, given f of x comma y equals x squared y plus exponential raised to the power of y, find the square of the partial derivative of f with respect to y and x. So how do we solve this question? Let us go. Now, to rewrite this particular question, okay, now follow me as I rewrite this. This is equal to del over the partial derivative of x, brackets open. Are you following now? Now, the partial derivative of f with respect to y. Okay, so this is the same thing as this. Is that clear? So now let's take them one by one. Let's first of all find the partial derivative of f with respect to y. Okay, now from here we are having, okay, this is now equal to, now our f, which is the function, is this. Okay, so we are having x squared y plus the exponential raised to the power of y. Okay, now we are looking for the partial derivative with respect to y. Okay, so in this case now x is the constant. The partial derivative of f with respect to y is equal to, now take note of this. Now this is what is x squared y, and this is what the exponential raised to the power of y. Remember that x is the constant here. So let me just quickly write it somewhere here. X is the constant. Okay, so take note of this. X is a constant. So from what you're having here now, it becomes x squared. Remember that y is attached to x squared here. So we're having what? X squared here plus exponential raised to the power of y. Okay, so this is what the partial derivative of f with respect to to y. Now I'm going to slot this one now into this. Please follow me. Now this now, okay, is equal to, now I'm going to write this. Now my partial derivative of f with respect to y is this, so I'm going to slot it in there. So we're having x squared, don't forget, x squared plus the exponential raised to the power of y. Now we are going to be looking at what? At y as our constant. So y here is a constant. So our y, so at the end of the day now, we'll be having the square of the partial derivative of f with respect to y and x is equal to. Now take a look at this, okay? Remember that what y is a constant, so we will not be touching this. We'll be working with this, and that will give us what? 2x. Is that understood? So 2x is our answer. Thank you.